Today I'm talking about doctor loan home hacking. So if you've been shopping for a mortgage, you're a recent graduate in residency, you're trying to get into your own practice and thinking about buying a home, we've already talked about the doctor loans. There's a link below if you want to find out more about that. But today I want to talk about house hacking for doctors. So you can use your doctor loan, get into your home for 0% down payment, and it's your primary residence. That's one of the requirements. But what a lot of people don't think about is in 6 months, a year from now, what am I going to do with this home? How can I leverage this investment that I've made? With prices going up, there's really a lot of options. So house hacking tip number one for doctors is get into a house with zero down payment, and then a year from now, turn that into an investment property. You can rent it out fully, you can turn it into an Airbnb. If you're thinking about moving somewhere else, then you can get into another home with only 5% down. So this is kind of a stair-step way to start accumulating investment properties. It's a great way for you to get in with no money down up front. You can live there as your primary residence to make sure you're meeting the residency requirements. That's really important. So once you're there for that amount of time, then you can leave that, buy another primary residence for as little as 5% down, and repeat the process over and over. So not only are you establishing yourself in an area, you're also have the opportunity to accumulate this investment property portfolio. It doesn't have to be long-term rentals. You can use short-term rentals. There's great investor programs. Once you get up and running in your practice and you have stable income, we can work with you to help you figure out the best options if you're interested in building a real estate portfolio as well. I'm Mortgage Seth. Let me know how I can help.